Arbeniad gan Maher, mae'n disgyn i Griffiths ar y middle Cwrt Cosby yna drosedd. A yna mae'n gyfle cynnar i Prestatyn. Cyfle uraidd yn dod i'r capten Alex Jones, sy'n cael 5 gol yn barod y tymor yma. A hat-trick yn yr ôl dwytha o methu darganfod cefn y rwyd. Sgwar ma Nathan Craig, chwipogi grydd sad yn dwytha. A mae'n chwipo groesiad hefyd teg at y postyn pella. Cael ei chlirio gan Williams. O'r o bella Darren Thomas yn thynnu nôl i mewn i'r Cwrt Cosby. Evans ymlaen i Kai Jones, cyffyrddiad cyntaf da gan y blaenwr. Mae'n disgyn i Noah Edwards, yn erbyn i gyn glwb. Ac yn erbyn llif y chwarae. A Noah Edwards, wedyn yr comis ar y blaen. Tair yn mynd ar 10 ar y cloc. Prestatyn, dim gan Arfon 1. Crawddar allan i Nathan Craig ymlaen â fo. Dan bwysig gan Griffiths, groesiad ddim teg at Bradley. Da ddim yn cam sefyll, thynnu nôl i Noah Edwards, eich eisiau chodi fyny teg at Kai Jones, dal i fyny yn y gwynt. Mae'n ail i'r cofis. Groesiad oedd yn un dda gan Edwards. Sgoriodd yr gyntaf, mae wedi creu'r ail i Kai Jones. Bas ler gan y golwr am y Kai Jones a cyfle i ail smonach llwyr yn amddiffyn Prestatyn. Ceisio chwarae allan o'r cefn yn erbyn y gwynt cryf. Maen nhw'n cael ei dal o pas lac. Gareth Evans yn manteisio. Ail o'r noson i Kai Jones. Neu'r ben ar y tîm cartra. Prestatyn dim. Caernarfon tair. Bradley i Noah Edwards. Edwards ar ergyd! Mae'n bell. Y golwr di giro. Llonydd. Be yma. Hedfan dros y trawst. Flaen â hi teg at hanner ffordd. Adam yn canol y cae ar draws i Alex Jones a'r gwynt yn codi eto. Flaen teg at Ian Griffiths yn y Cwrt Cosby, gyfle Prestatyn. Yr cyfle yn cael ei gwastraffu, oedd hi'n bas wych. Tu mewn i amddiffyn Gaernarfon. Y golwr allan. Ian Griffiths yn cael blaen droed iddi eibio'r golwr, ond eibio'r postyn pella.
We said in the start, you know, everyone's looking for the banana skins, of course. Prestatyn are a decent side. You know, they'll certainly get out the trouble they're in at the minute, you know, down the bottom, and they'll be pushing towards the top. But yeah, just really happy, you know, 3-0 win away from home in difficult conditions and in the hat for the next round on Monday.
Unfortunately today, you know, there was a marked difference between the standards in their team and our team. You know, they're 7th in the Welsh Premier League with 15th in the Cymru Alliance. It showed at times, you know, that difference in quality and standard. You know, our lads kept going, you know, at 2-0 down and then coming out into a gale force wind, you know, it would have been easier if they'd gone under. So they show good character. We're still very much a work in progress. You know, we're very much in a position where we're trying to like move the club on, and we're a way off where we want to get to. So at this moment in time, it's about building stones and, you know, and working through a progress. But this game probably came, you know, a few months too early for us.
So I ddod I lle fel yma, dod y cae yn gret, y tywydd, conditions yn gret. So 3 gol, hwnna am 3 pwynt fyna, ond da ni drwodd i'r rownd nesaf, hynna di peth pwysica.
Wrth gwrs, ia, drwodd i'r rownd nesaf, Cai, ac i chi'n bersonol 2 gol.
Dwi'n neis cael 90 minutes, neis gorffan gem, neis tig a 2 gol a mynd yn hat o'n mynd.
Yeah, so obviously now into the next round, and you can relax tomorrow and look at the other results coming in. Who do you fancy in the next round?
Do you know what? Anyone. You know, it's another point that we made in the dressing room. You know, we've gone to TNS and been very disciplined. We've gone to Connah's Quay and been very disciplined. You know, obviously cup games are one-off games. You know, so there's a lot more at stake. You know, we've said in there, you know, we can quietly be confident, you know, with it being like the one-off game scenario, and who knows, but someone at home would be nice. You know, the Covey Army come out again in numbers tonight, face the wind, face the monsoon. Yeah, so a nice home tie against them, you know, maybe even them down the road if they've got a result, good result tonight. So we'll wait and see, but like you said, we'll look forward to the draw, whoever we get.